Hello everyone! Just a few years back, whenever we used to think about food deliveries, it was always about pizzas. When we look into the history of food deliveries, in the 1800s, the Koreans used to deliver hangover soup. But now, be it a salad or a sushi, idli or ice cream, anything can be delivered home. This is actually promoting one of the 7 sins, overindulgence with food, gluttony. And with this desire to taste everything and try everything out gives opportunities to a lot of entrepreneurs for new business ideas. And today, food delivery is a big business. We all have our favorite foods and the favorite restaurants. And with these food delivery services, you can enjoy that in the comfort of your home. With this business growing, obviously there will be a lot of competition. With a lot of competition comes different kinds of menus, different offers, different discounts with other facilities. Like many of you, even I have always wondered if the quality, quantity and the price is the same if I order from a restaurant or from a food service. To figure this out, I have selected a few restaurants and have ordered the same thing from different apps so I can compare and you get an answer to all your questions. Over the last 5 years, we've seen so many companies who've come into this business and only a few have survived, out of which I think Zomato and Swiggy are the biggest as of today. In this video, I will be comparing Swiggy versus Zomato versus a few of my favorite restaurants. Let's start with fresh menu. I just love the steaks, the quinoa meals and the keto menu. I'm going to order the chef's signature grilled chicken on Zomato, Swiggy and directly from the restaurant. These are the few things I'll be comparing. First thing is the price, the quantity, the quality, the delivery time and the ease of order. So I open Zomato on my phone, I look for the restaurant and I search for my favorite grilled chicken. Here it is for rupees 249. So I'm going to place an order for one. And in the checkout page, I can look at the available coupons and obviously I'm going to select the highest discount of 40%. And yay, I got a discount of 99 rupees. After calculating taxes and there are other charges of close to 65 bucks, I'll end up paying around 215 bucks for this. I've also heard people say that it's a different price if you place an order on your mobile and a different price on the web. Just to make sure before placing an order, let me see what happens when I place an order from my computer. So I go into my browser, look for the restaurant and look for grilled chicken. The price looks the same. Let me add one to the cart. And it looks like they have the same 40% discount here as well. So I select apply promo code and enter the code and the discount is also the same here. Hey wait, how is the total 179? There it was 214 something. So the cost is the same, the discount is the same, but why are the taxes and other charges different? Now it looks like this video is about Zomato versus Zomato. So let me quickly go back and check what happened with the app. I'm logging in and doing the whole process again. Yes, same price, same discount, but the total has changed again. I have ordered the same thing from the same restaurant, from the same service, and I'm still getting 3 different prices. How does this work? Okay, let's get back to the original topic and I'm going to place the same order on Swiggy. Considering the difference in price what we saw with Zomato on the app and online, I'm going to do the same thing with Swiggy right now. So let's start with the app version. Swiggy is offering me a lot of add-ons, but I'm going to stick with grilled chicken so that we can keep the comparison fair. Let's check out their available coupons. Okay, there's something called birthday. I get a 40% off. Okay, somebody's birthday, I get 80 bucks off. Why not? So my grand total after all the discounts is 219. I'm going to quickly log on to Swiggy from my browser on my computer and see what are the discounts I'll be able to get there. Yeah, I'm going to make this fast. I'll log in with my phone number and OTP, look for the restaurant, look for my grilled chicken, no add-ons, and let's check the coupons. Yeah, here we go again. See, here we're getting a 50% off up to 100 bucks. But on the app using the same code, we got only a 40% off. Still, I don't understand why this is happening and why it should be this way. I always thought that ordering through an app might be cheaper. But look at this, ordering on your computer is cheaper by 20 bucks. Okay, that was part 2 of our order. Now I'm going to go to Fresh Menu on their own website. I'm going to order the same thing from there. Okay, that's my grilled chicken and even they're offering add-ons. No add-ons for me right now. Let us go through the coupons. Okay, looks like even they have an offer with 40% off. Let's take that and check our total. Okay, now our total is 194. This is directly from Fresh Menu. Okay, so food has finally arrived. Zomato's delivery was really fast. Swiggy came a close second. but the direct delivery from fresh menu was pathetic. They were actually late by more than half an hour. But I had to wait for that package to arrive so that I can open all the three together. Since we have all the three with us now, let's do a quick unboxing. All the three boxes looks exactly the same, except the Zomato one doesn't have the content label on top. Not a deal breaker at all. All the three of them look really yummy. Let's quickly check the size of the chicken pieces. All the three are the same, fresh, and I just can't wait to have my dinner. Okay, these are the points that we're going to compare now. The first thing is the price. As you can see, all the three of them are offering at different prices. The second thing was quantity. Quantity was pretty much the same. Quality, excellent, all the three of them. Delivery time wise, I think I would rate Zomato much higher than the other two. Ease of ordering, I would say all the three of them are quite easy. The next thing we're going to compare is Zomato versus Swiggy versus Empire Hotel. This thing got a little interestingly messed up. Before we start that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now that you've done that, let's start with the Zomato mobile app. Look for Empire, and we're going to order ghee rice with butter chicken. Okay, the total comes up to $289.86, let's say $290 including taxes. Let's see what are the discount coupons available. There are quite a few of them, but I don't want to choose any of this because all these discounts are with a partner and none of these are Zomato discounts. So my total stays at $290. Let's check out the offers on the browser on my computer. Okay, open Zomato, look for Empire and look for ghee rice. Yes, the cost is the same. Let me look for butter chicken. And there seems to be a coupon for 20% off here. Let me try and apply this coupon and see if it works. Yes, it did. Now the total is around 213, which is roughly around $65 cheaper than the app. Well, this is all confusing to me. Okay, since we've done with Zomato, let's move to Swiggy. I'll start with the app on my phone. Okay, look for Empire and then ghee rice. Let's add that. Butter chicken. And let's check our total. $286 including all taxes. Let's see if you have any coupons. There are a lot of them, but like I said, these are all with the partners and none of these are Swiggy discounts. So the total stays at $286. Let's check out Swiggy on the browser now. Since we know what we're doing, let's go through this fast. This is pretty much similar to the app, no change in the price, it's still at $286. Now let's move on to the website of Empire. They have a section where you can order online. Okay, the same ghee rice and butter chicken. Let's see what happens to the total. Okay, there seems to be a problem. I can't see the total. Let me first check if I have done everything right. Okay, it says minimum order requirement is 200. The last time I checked this was in my second grade. 90 plus 138 used to be more than 200. And I guess it's still the same. Just for the sake of it, let me increase the quantities and see if this is going to change. Nope, same problem again. So anyways, I decided to call them and place an order over the phone. My total bill was $290, which was pretty much similar to what was on Swiggy. And this came along with an offer where I would get a 220 ml Tetra Pak juice for free. Once again, Zomato was really fast in the deliveries. Swiggy and Empire Delivery almost arrived together. Now let's get to the unboxing. All the three of them look exactly the same packing, the same paper bags. The quantity of rice is the same. Empire seems to have sent us an extra gravy. The only problem is none of these containers have any sort of tamper-proof seal. And Empire has forgotten to send me my free juice and they didn't even give me a bill. Let me call them and figure out what happened to that.
You were asking for the complimentary drink. The stock is not available, ma'am.
Just because you don't have stock, that's no excuse to not give it. You have to find an alternative or do something. An offer is an offer.
Other outlets we have still, ma'am. Only not. We are not providing only for outlet people, ma'am. For all empires, okay.
Correct.
We have others also.
Correct.
We are providing for others also, like on other outlets.
I'm sure you are.
For 3-4 days we have kept that, ma'am, offer. We don't give every day. Yeah, still other branches also still there. In the branch, it's over now. It's normal offer we are providing, sir. A complimentary drink we are providing, not all for the...
Well, you heard the outcome of that call. It didn't make any sense continuing the call further. I have no complaints about the quality of food or the quantity of food, but I think their pricing structure is now way off. Empire has always been known as a budget restaurant, and if I'm going to spend almost $1,000 for 3 ghee rice and 3/4 butter chicken from Empire, I'm not really sure if it's worth it. Ease of placing the order, Zomato and Swiggy, both of them take the cake. And Empire was terrible placing an order online or even placing an order over the phone. That guy just didn't make any sense to me. Okay, let's move to the last comparison. The all-time favorite Chinese food delivery. So it's Zomato versus Swiggy versus Delicacy. Tonight I'm going to have non-veg noodles with Hunan-style crispy chicken. Okay, let's start with the Zomato app. Since we already know the drill, let me take you through this quickly. Okay, my total was $370, but I got a 10% off without any coupons. Okay, let me check if there's any coupon that I can apply on this. All of them seem to be third-party discounts and none from Zomato, so I'm not going to go in for any discount right now. So my grand total now is $339.2. Let's quickly see what happens with the browser on my computer. Yeah, there you can see it's $352.23. That's about $13 more than the app. And mind you, since there was no 10% discount applied here, the difference should have been at least $30. But these guys operate in mysterious ways. Okay, now time for Swiggy app. I'm going to run through this really fast. And the total after taxes is $434. And let's look for a coupon. Yes, somebody's birthday and we get a discount. Why not? After all that, the payable amount is $361. So technically Zomato without a discount was $353, and here after a 40% discount we're getting the same thing at $361. Makes me wonder. Okay, now the same exercise with the browser on my computer, and after all the birthday drama, the total is exactly $361, so there's no difference between the app and the browser for this restaurant on Swiggy. Since Delicacy doesn't have the website, I had to place an order over the phone, and this is the bill that I got with the delivery. Not sure how much of what you can make out in this, but the total was $390. As usual, Zomato was the first to arrive. Swiggy and Delicacy arrived together a few minutes later. Now for the unboxing of the trio. There's absolutely no difference in the quality or the quantity, but like you can see, the noodles from Delicacy look slightly different in color. That's because we had requested for a non-spicy version of the noodles, and this option was not available on the apps. Now let's compare the points. The quantity is the same and the quality is awesome as usual. Talking about delivery times, Zomato was the fastest as usual, but Swiggy and Delicacy came together just a few minutes later. So nothing to complain there. Price-wise, I think in this we have learned that biggest discount is not always the cheapest. I am sure that you've drawn your own conclusions after watching this video. But why do they confuse their customers with different discounts and all these coupon codes? And what about their customers who don't know about all these coupon codes? Don't you think that they are getting cheated? Anyways, we need all these businesses to survive since we've gotten used to a certain kind of lifestyle. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe to my channel, please comment and let me know your personal experiences with ordering food. Bon appetit!